This is Coach Laudiaann, and I am here delivering strategies and tips on how to do stuff online. If you like my videos, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. And leave your likes, your comments. Then in a half an hour or to an hour, you love my channel, go ahead, then subscribe to my channel. Now, I want to welcome back to all my fans out there, those subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate all your comments, your likes, and thank you for your feedback. You really inspire me, and you really encourage me to keep going on and keep making more precious videos to give you valuable information. That is so really a great feeling to feel when I have feedback from you guys. So I appreciate and I thank you all guys for coming back, supporting my channel. Anyway, I'm going to talk about being positive. It's so important to be positive, guys. It is contagious when we are positive. So having that positive mindset will rub off whatever you're feeling. If you're happy, you're going to rub off happiness upon people that you are surrounded with, right? They're going to, if you're laughing, they're going to laugh. If you're smiling, they're going to smile. They're going to react to your positive energy. And that's what you need to do. You need to stay in that high frequency of positive energy at all times. Okay? How do you do that? By, you know what? Encouraging yourself. Encourage yourself. Saying positive affirmations to yourself in the mirror. You know, when you start feeding yourself positive affirmations, did you know what you say to yourself? You will also say it to others, how you see them. Because you are building you, you're going to build others too, right? So as a leader in our business, whatever we're doing, whenever we are talking to people, we always got to be a leader of inspiration, okay? We gotta have to be behaving with a positive attitude, especially through stressful situations, okay? I want you guys to always inspire yourself. Okay, if you learn to do those skills on your own, you don't think it's going to rub off other people. You know, if you start really loving yourself, you know, and you really feel good about yourself, did you know what comes out of your mouth? And when you talk to other people, you're going to start loving them. You're going to start, actually, you're going to repeat what you see in you to them. All right. And that's you working in your high frequency, right? High frequency, positive. You're in a high level of vibration. The high level of vibration is where you always need to be, because when you're up there, you're gonna be uplifting others. All right. You never want to do the opposite, okay? And from not saying things about loving yourself, did you know what you're feeling? In actually, however you're feeling, it actually can produce karma. If you're producing negative, you're complaining, and you're around those people, you know, people that, you know, especially if you're around the people that love you, right? But they're complaining and they're doing all these things, right? They're very low in their vibration. You don't think that's going to rub off you? Of course, right? And those are people that you need to kind of like stay away, because they're always negative, and you don't want to participate in their whatever they're saying, you know, in whatever they're talking about, because when you participate in that, you become a victim, and you become that victim of bondage where they are in. So you always got to stay away from negative people all the time, especially if someone that if it's your loved one or someone that's discouraged you. Whatever you do, try to be calm, right? Don't, you know, just through that storm. I know it's hard to come out of it. So what you need to do, guys, is you need to find a positive affirmations to say to yourself and quote it to yourself at least 10 times. Keep saying it. Keep saying it, or listen to positive affirmation meditation. You know, if you just actually move away from the negative and start doing something in the positive, you can actually turn around that emotional feeling that you're feeling that have made you down. You can actually turn it around, and then you can get back into your high frequency, always being positive and happy. And that's what I need you guys to do. Okay, so people are actually attracted to positive people. So you need to be that leader, that person, to be attractive to people. So when you're engaged with people in your business, always be attracted to them by uh, your positive behavior. Okay, and they're just going to react to your positive behavior anyway. So just just keep in mind, make sure you practice your meditations. All right, meditate day and night, in the morning, then at night, or if something happens during the day, you know, something broke your positive high level frequency, then, you know, stop right there. Get a positive affirmation. Say it to yourself 10 times. Say it to yourself over and over and over until it snaps you out of that negative. I mean, people can really get you down, you know, really quick, but you can also pick yourself back up. All right, it's your choice. You can snap yourself out of it and go back right in the high frequency. All right, so be strong, because when you're in the positive high frequency, always being positive, that's your strength. Okay, that's your strength. Don't let people knock you down. Use your strength. Then you're gonna have a really low frequency, and it's every negative thought will just attack you, and you don't want to stay there. Okay, so in order to be positive and you're around your business clients and you're talking to your customers, always make them feel good. Okay, that's why it's so important for you to feel good about yourself, so that you can share and you can actually do more. You can do your job better. You're actually going to perform better in everything, and people are going to follow you. All right, guys, I am going to end this. Just remember that being positive is contagious. All right, guys, have a blessed day. Talk to you later, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.